XRP holders, we've got some breaking news. Donald Trump talking about these tariffs and how it's going to impact XRP in the markets. We're going to be talking about that. So without further ado, welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea. Hit that like button, hit that bell, subscribe to the channel. I am not a financial advisor. Anything I say is not financial advice. This is educational purposes only. Let's hop into this video. Okay, guys, we're going to start off here on Crypto Twitter. Follow me at 333 Blacksea. I say, tariff pause has been extended to August 1st, all right? Let the markets continue to be green. So Donald Trump has extended the tariff pause to August 1st. Everyone was getting a little bit concerned because originally we were expecting July 9th to be when all these tariffs were going to be going into place if there weren't deals to be made with different countries. Well, it seems like we have a little bit more green pastures ahead of us because we are getting an extension on that pause. Now, he also did come out and make a little bit of a post. He said, this is from Watcher Guru, President Trump says new trade deals have been made and will raise tariffs on other countries by August 1st. So we're getting a pause, but then there's talking about raises. Guys, this is all negotiating tactics, and it will impact XRP, and it will impact crypto. So we need to be very wary about how this plays out. But long story short, guys, I do expect the tariff talk to become more and more diluted when it comes to the price action of the markets. You know, you hear about the tariffs the first time and everyone panics, it dumps. You hear about tariffs the second time, everyone panics, it dumps a little bit. You hear about the third time, fourth time, fifth time, sixth time, and eventually you say, oh yeah, this is the tariffs again. Yeah, I get it. And eventually the market won't have any reaction. I think we're kind of making our way there because we've been talking about tariffs for a significant amount of time now, and I think that we are getting closer and closer to a period where the tariffs are not going to impact the traditional market, the stock market, and crypto and XRP too significantly. So let's look at XRP right now. We are trading at a very interesting price level. We are range bound, my friends. We have been chopping around for a significant amount of time here in between this channel here, between $2.07 and $2.35. I have been high leverage scalping. I've been doing leverage trading, trying to really capitalize on these swings, guys. I'm trying to really capitalize on these short-term time frames just to accumulate more crypto. And if you guys do want to trade as well, check out in the description box below or pin comment down below. We have a $5,000 sign bonus to Blowfin and a lot of other awesome sign-in bonuses to a lot of other exchanges. Feel free to check them out and take advantage of it, guys. Blowfin's offering a $4.2 million prize pool right now. We can win a Tesla Cybertruck as well, just purely off trading volume. So feel free to check that out because, guys, right now, like, you look at this overall market, Bitcoin's at 109,000. We had the highest weekly candle closure in history just about, an hour ago, okay, at $109,200. But yet, XRP and alts are chopping around. But guys, I think that is just what we're going to have to be dealing with here. I think it has a lot to do with the macroeconomics, the Fed being quite hawkish still. We're waiting for these rate cuts. I think it has a lot to do with that. Right now, the only thing that's really rallying is Bitcoin because it's getting driven by institutional adoption, okay? And you look at Bitcoin, like, look at this, guys. Here, I want to show you a little bit of a different chart here. We'll look at the Bitcoin halvings chart that I have here. So on the weekly, this is the highest weekly candle closure we've seen. Look at this. And I do expect this to continue the upside. You look at Market Cipher, we have a nice little light blue here on the momentum wave. It's starting to curl up. I do think that we're probably going to see a test at all-time highs here into the end of July. I do expect that to play out. And I do think that there's a good chance here, especially like looking at the monthly, that we do front run some of these gains, some of these Q4 gains into Q3. And I think that we see a continuation into Q3 and probably be testing $120,000 to $130,000. I think those are my price targets that I'm looking for within the next few months here. So I do expect that to play out, and I do think that it will impact XRP's price. And guys, I know XRP holders, I know it's frustrating, but guys, trading and investing are not for the faint of heart. It is very, very, very tough to be consistent, but it's trial by fire, and the patient get rewarded. It's as simple as that. And guys, like I said, right now, I'm not just buying spot on altcoins. I am only really buying Bitcoin spot. The only thing I'm doing with XRP and other altcoins is I'm trading it. I'm doing high leverage scalping. I'm longing it when the trades present themselves, and I'm shorting it when the trades present themselves. And I've been very, very profitable recently. And guys, what do I do with that? I accumulate the crypto that I want. So it's basically like accumulating free XRP or free Bitcoin just based off of the trades. So guys, if you like this type of content, are you bullish on this tariff pause news? Is it nothing? Very curious. Let me know in the comment section below. Guys, I am bullish on XRP. I was sniffing out some potential opportunities to buy some private equity of Ripple, but I'll announce that if I do end up doing that. I'm very curious to see where this market takes us into Q3. But regardless, guys, I am bullish on altcoins into the end of 2025. That's all I got. Hit that like button. Check out those awesome affiliate links down below. Really help support this channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.